This is going to be the presentation for IDP subject with the code of BMCU3013. Hey there, we are Group 5 and our names will be shown on the screen. Since the pandemic, our group is not allowed to make a meeting and to record this video, so we decided to divide the work upon the group mates equally and produce our product. So, our project in a nutshell is a battery-powered river and lakes cleaning submarine, which is a submarine with a small collector under it to catch the trash flying in the stream of water. The submarine will be remotely controlled by a human outside of the water. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, our group was forced to substitute some parts with others, and we managed to do it with the DIY style. The parts are simple, but making the process was a bit complicated than we thought. Here are the parts on the screen. Feel free to stop the video and take a look at them. Some parts were used to make a subsystem, such as a control system using a quadcopter motor, a controller, and a small fan. The height control system as well used 2 syringes, a DC motor, and 2 pipes to transfer liquid to the syringes. For the assembly part of the project, after getting our bottles, we started to wield relays to each other. And now we have connected relays. The next step is to attach wires into the relays. And then we attach our DC motor to the main body. After that, we connect the syringes to the DC gear motor using 2 metal plates. Then we attach our syringe system to the main body. And then we insert the relays into the main body as well as connecting it to the other parts. We had to make our own fan using a metal cover. After that, we connect our relays to the electrical circuit, which is our control system. After that, we connect our battery to see if our system runs fine, which it did. After that, we just covered the main body with the bottles. If you already noticed, we already made holes in our metal net to let water pass through, but the holes were small enough to prevent other objects from slipping. And there we go, we have our prototype. And now for the costs. The DC motor costed us 35 ringgits. The DC gear motor costed us 50. The quadcopter motor costed us 8. The relays costed us 20 ringgits for 4 relays. The wires costed us only 4 ringgits. The diodes were as low as 2. The batteries were at 29 ringgits. Syringes were 18. Controller and electrical circuits was as high as 67. Wooden board cost was 30 ringgits. Nails and nuts were 10 ringgits. The adhesive that we used inside our prototype was 7 ringgits. Hot wheel 20. Bottles 5 ringgits. Steer boards 20 ringgits. Metal box as a net was 17 ringgits. Overall, it costed us 342 ringgits. And now for the last part, which is discussion and conclusion. We had to reconnect the relays multiple times for the lack of our experience, and for the sake of the COVID-19, we really couldn't get any of the parts that we needed. This is why we used a metal box as our net. For the conclusion, we have a prototype for a river clearing submarine. We couldn't test it for many reasons. Lakes and swimming pools are currently closed for the pandemic, but we already tested the elevating system. Overall, we have functioning systems and a river cleaning submarine. Thank you for watching.